Good morning, Philippines. Ay, mali. Good morning, Singapore. Good morning. It's 10:56 a.m. It's our day 2 of exploring Singapore. And yun, sorry hindi na kami nakapag-vlog kasi medyo nahuli kaming matapos kasi dami naming rikotitos. So, ayun, napagtanto namin na puro mukha ko na yung vlog na to. So, mamaya, expect some vlog takeovers. So, andito kami ngayon. French toast. So, ang agenda natin for today ay Gardens by the Bay. Tama ba? Oo. So, and after nun, Merlion. And nakalimutan ko lang kung ano pa yung itinerary for today. But to start the day, we're having breakfast here at Yakon Kaya. It's just near our hotel. Like mga 10 to 15 minutes walk lang. Kasi nilakad lang namin siya. So, ayan. Hey, Timao! What are you having? Smoked cheese. Oh, smoked cheese. Yakon Kaya. Ito yung very popular na breakfast sa kanila. Parang sa atin daw eh.
Pandesal.
Ayun, pandesal at taho. Ganon. So, I ordered cinnamon toast. Hindi, French toast. Yun, French toast. So, ito yung Kaya jam. Tapos may eggs on the side na nilalagyan ng mga ganitong sauce, like soy sauce. Kasi that's how you eat it daw. Ayan, sina Ima. Second order na nila Ima yan. Na-enjoy nila. Masarap ba, tita?
Masarap yung Kaya jam niya, may butter.
Ikaw, ma?
Yung itlog, ginagawa sabaw ni Ima. Dapat pala dinidip lang.
Masarap naman ba, ma? Nagustuhan mo po?
Oo, masyadong masarap.
Masyadong masarap daw. So, ayan, second order na kami. Nag-second order kaming lahat kasi kailangan namin ng protein for today. So, ayan. Vlog takeover. Hi, guys! Naka-face detect pa sa'yo? Hi, we.
Di pa din.
Hi, guys! So, we're currently at Yakon Kaya. So, I'm gonna show you how to eat. How to eat? Yan. So hard. So, this is the original Kaya toast. And then you have... Can you give me the egg? Ay, wag ka na mami share na lang tayo sa egg. So, you have egg with soy sauce. Then there's butter and Kaya jam inside. Ano yung traditional? Yeah, this is the original. So we do this. Dip, 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 dip. Ay, ipakita.
So hard. So hard mag-vlog.
Pwede.
Okay, so you're gonna do this. Put the egg in the soy sauce here. Hindi maubos na yung mga ulang kumain. So good! Oh my God! Walang sinabi yung Kapinas.
Ay, grabe. Oh. Grabe.
Yan ba niyang ano? Hinipan yan.
Si Kuya kay Ate Mau. Ano man sa iyo nila? Pati, grabing ribbon.
Ribbon. Ba't yung yan?
Grabe talaga naman.
Singapore.
I just wanna love you. Grabe talaga mag-monster itong dalawang to. Hey! I'm just vlogging. May baon pa ata to.
just wanna love you. Dapat sinabi mo, wala mo tayo. Siyempre, bago na.
Yung, recording. Vlog take over. Huwag dyan. Gimbal yan.
Subject loss.
Ayan, okay. Sinukso ko lang. Pasok mo.
Hi.
Ate ma.
Gimbal and conflict. So, hi. My name is... Oh, ba't ayaw? So, hi. My name is Neil. We're here at the Gardens by the Bay. So, it's our second day trip. So, I'm here with Jillian.
Hi.
And with my lover over there. You can see. She's busy. There.
Hi.
Sorry, hi miss. Hi miss. Miss. Hello. It's our 18th monthsary here in 18 month. Sorry, here in Singapore. So it's so hot in here. And see. Look, so hot. So hot. See. I don't know what to say. I lost words. Yeah, I lost for words pala. That's what I meant. So we're entering the dome of the garden. So there. So lost for words, so I'll... Naro-rotate ba to? Yan. Ayun eh.
Para mas madali ang cut.
So here na. We're here at the gardens. Look at Mikey and CK over there. So it's so hot. So hi. Where are we?
Hi, hello.
We are currently at Gardens by the Bay. We're going to the Flower Dome and the Cloud Forest. Which do you want to go first?
Yes, sir.
Flower Dome?
Hi everyone. Hi. Hi sir. Hi sir. What do you do for your living?
Selling bayabas.
Okay.
Bayabas. Oh.
Okay. So currently we're walking to the Flower Dome for our first location there, over there. Naririnig ba ako nito? So we're entering the Flower Dome in a minute now. So we'll get right back at ya once we enter the dome. So peace out.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love.
So now we're here at the dome. As you can see, there you go.
Para siyang mainit pero malamig.
Hi everyone. Hi. So now we're here at the dome. So we're figuring out where to start here. So here. Hi. So we're here now at the dome. Paulit-ulit na lang yung sinasabi ko.
Kasi naman, ipakita ko na rin.
See?
Pakita mo yun.
There. Here the dome.
Dito, dati kasi, nung unang araw, ano yan eh?
Ano?
Cemetery yan.
So we'll start here now. Here, there you can see. You can see different habitat of the plants.
Cherry blossoms.
There we go.
Few minutes later.
So here, now we're at the dome. I'm here with Jillian, Daddy. Paano ba to? Daddy there. And then my love here. So, we're figuring out where to start right now. So we're waiting for Mommy, Jem, Ima, and Titi. We're taking pictures over there. So as you can see, there. Dito sila ma-zoom. Kasi nandun sila banda. So we're sitting here under the tree. Under the stem pala. So yun. So we'll be right back on how we're gonna start the dome. So here, peace out. Hi, we're here again inside the dome. So we're currently taking pictures inside. So we're about to head to sakura plants inside the dome. So as you can see here, over there, doon. Yan, doon. So there's Ima and Tita Yet. Hi Ima! And Tita Yet are taking pictures of the plants. So yan. And si Tita Yet gandang-ganda sa plants. So, sige Ma. Hi Ma! Hello!
Hindi ka maganda. Hindi ka magsasawa. Napakaganda. Ang lamig.
Anong masasabi nyo ngayon sa Gardens by the Bay?
Excellent. Sobrang ganda. Lahat ng klase ng bulaklak.
Ano siya Ma? Refreshing siya sa mata, lahat.
At hindi ka magsasawa tumingin, ano? Lahat yung mo na. Kaya lang, hawakan lang bawal.
Oh, yun na. No, Ma. Hi, Ma! Hello. So, ngayon, medyo halfway na kami ng Gardens by the Bay. So, naghahanap kami ng mga spot to take pictures by solo, by family, by partners. So, currently, we're about to head to the Sakura Garden. Sorry, mali. Siyempre, kailangan natin masanay. Paano pag tayong dalawa na lang yung nagpo-vlog, di ba?
Vloggeries.
You know? Bye!
Hi guys! We're currently inside the Cloud Forest here in Gardens by the Bay. And as you can see, sobrang daming tao. Look at that beautiful waterfall. See? Wow. It's just amazing. Say hi to the vlog!
Hello vlog! Welcome to my guys! Paano sila mapakita?
Wala. Kasi naka-paste sa akin eh. So, ayan, papakita namin. Ito pala, Bio, ganyan o. Ay, tayo.
Nakakita tayo. So, yan kami.
Ayan kami, guys. Super daming tao. Say hi!
Hi!
We can't get the iconic picture kasi sobrang daming tao. Hindi namin alam kung paano gagawin. Nababasa talaga sila. Alam, basang-basa na yung dress niya, oh. Go, ate, laban mo. Para sa ekonomiya. So, here they are, just taking some pictures. We're currently in the Cloud Forest pa rin. Ayan si Jill. Yes, naman. Blue na blue.
Hindi pa niligawan yan, no?
Logot ko. Susumong. Sorry.
16 years old. After 5 years.
Mau. Basang-basa si ate girl. Yeah. Gusto mo yun, lamang ka doon. O, doon ka sa mga nahuhulog na ano. Ha? Sir, excuse me, sir. What do you do for a living?
I'm a professional gardener.
Professional gardener.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Didilig.
So, ayun si na Mami. Konting stopover muna. Ayan sila. Ay, hindi yan. Ayan sila. Say hi, girl. Hi. And, ayan sila. Ayan, just some kwentuhan-kwentuhan. Hi, Ma.
Dito na lang kami sa baba, hindi kami aakyat.
Ah, okay. Sige.
Kaya tayo lakad lang.
Hey, oh, look at the picture. Wow. Abay sa kasal eh.
Maid of honor.
Abay sa kasal. Wow. Ayan. Ayan, just some walking lang sila. Si Tita Yet. Ayan. Here's everybody. Walking lang sila. Ayan na, di ba? Guys. Recording na. We're here at the top of the cloud forest. Woo! Pero kaming dito. Sino kaya?
Sino?
Sino kayang itsurang nanginginig? Sino kaya nanginginig? Ito yung itsura na sa taas. There's smoke para for the cloud effect. Ganun. Medyo magulo na yung video namin. So what? Ako naman magbe-video eh. Ay, ako naman mag-edit eh.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
I have no idea where we are.
Here at the, no.
What's this place called?
Daddy,
What's this place called?
Super Tree by Marina. Ano?
Yeah.
Garden by the bay.
Look, it's so big. Oh my god.
Phone of Dad!
It's very, very big. And if this goes in the video, I want to say hi. Yippee!
Maybe it's going to be super close to your face.
Oh, don't be so like that, baby. Pag pinanood natin yan, mahihirapan tayo.
It's a kite.
Where? Oh my god. Jimbo protection exit. I'm sorry about that. Does it follow my face?
Lapit pa, Mom.
Why is it turning?
You press this so that it could center you. What's the girl?
Okay.
See? Oh no, exit.
I'm taking a picture right now.
It means you're holding on the gimbal. Don't do that. Oh, and you're covering the mic as well. Don't.
Where's the mic?
Here.
Oh, okay. Gonna take a photo, just wait.
Dad,
Ano ba talaga?
yung ano eh. Oh, ma, dito nga.
Given control.
Dami ah.
Oh, palang gagalaw.
Oh, come on! It's me. I don't know what else to say. So, for my last words, until I give it to at the Jill. Oh. So,
Dad,
I would like to say,
tayo, wag kang umupo.
Hallelujah, Singapore. Okay, that was just a joke. So, what else can I say? I don't know. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pass it on to the owner. Her. Ate, take it back. I don't want to do this no more.
Hey vlog, welcome to my guys. We're back here in Marina Bay. I mean, not really Marina Bay. We're at Merlion Park. Ayun lang yung Marina Bay. So, ito yung sitwasyon namin ngayon. Pampatawid gutom lang saglit. Bumili sila ng burgers and fries, tas drinks to somehow matawid yung gutom namin kasi maya-maya pa kami. Oh yeah, strawberries too. Maya-maya pa kasi kami uuwi. Manonood muna kami ng Spectra. Tama ba? Spectra light show? Which is like around 8 o'clock. And it's currently, Ate Mau, time check.
7:44.
So may mga 16 minutes pa kami bago yung mismong light show. And gutom na rin kasi kami lahat. Excuse me? Gutom na kaming lahat, tapos pagod na rin yung mga paa namin. So we decided to like chill here muna. Ito yung sa likod ko, ayan, mga kainan na yan. Tapos, ay, ayaw. Pag hindi ako pinafollow talaga ako ng camera. Tapos, ayan, nakita niyo yung Merlion. Grabe, sobrang raming tao dun kanina. Hindi ako makapag-video kasi nakakatakot. Baka mawala ako ng wala sa oras tong camera or like makabangga ako. So, ayun, medyo stressful pero somehow worth it naman. And, ayun, marami naman na kaming nagawa for this day. Marami kaming pictures kasi super ganda sa Gardens by the Bay. And, ayun, it's basically it. Wala naman akong ibang masabi. Magpapakita na lang siguro kami ng pictures, mga iba pang clip, yung mga ginawa namin doon. Yeah, tomorrow will be Universal Day. So, we're also very, very excited for that. At the same time, we try our best to like conserve our energy. Wow! Conserve! To save our energy kasi yun nga, Universal Day bukas. So, for sure, mas maraming pagod ang mangyayari at mas maraming tao rin ang makakasama namin dahil peak season. Ayan. Super raming tao. Diyan pa lang panis. Panis kayo. Kanina pa isa. Say hi! Hi! Do you have anything else to say?
The food is good. And we no longer can...
Wala nang ganda-gandahan.
Yeah. Hindi natin mapanindigan ng chic-chic Debu Princess.
Kung makita nyo lang ang pictures, para siyang Just Gem 18 at 18. Ganun. So, ayun, see you guys when we get back to the hotel or probably tomorrow na lang kasi pagod na kami. Walking to this street, I don't know what it's called, pero ito yung street tabi ng hotel namin. So we're going to Bugis Street. We're gonna try some foods out there and papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura niya. So like, there's a lot of kainan left and right. Meron ding mga like massage places and it's so busy. Actually, this is one way daw. Kaya kapag like kunyari nag-grab or nagta-taxi kami pa uwi. Sana naririnig ako! Pag bumababa kami ng grab or ng taxi. Parang palagi kami iniikot para sa mismo hotel talaga kami mababa. So yun, ang daming nangyayari. Grabe, sobra. Such a busy street. Para siyang Ugbo? I don't know. Binondo or Ugbo. Ganon sa Pinas. I don't know what to compare it to sa Pinas. But, yeah. It also reminds me a lot dun sa Hong Kong naman. Sa Hong Kong naman, yung para pinagbilhan namin ng souvenirs. Marami rin kainan. Pero, ayun. I like the vibe actually. It's very alive. Ganon. So, goodbye!
Ay! Edit.
Goodbye, guys! Good night! See you tomorrow at Universal!
Ouch.
Bye!
하려고 하면 계속하게도 더 할 수 없어지고 또 사랑에 대해 피하려 하면 이상하게 더욱 더 할 수 없어져